Hey guys, welcome back to the Pitera channel, and today we have some really exciting news for the cruise industry and for all of you who want to cruise somewhat soon. I'm going to be back to tell you all about it right after this. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you follow the cruise industry and if you're watching my channel, I assume that you do. You know that we haven't been cruising for about 7 months now because with coronavirus, the CDC put a no sail order in place that kept cruise lines from sailing in North America, and it was staggered. They kept adding and adding more time to it. Well, it was supposed to expire tomorrow, October 31st. But last week, the head of the CDC got together with the coronavirus task force and Vice President Mike Pence, and the head of the CDC wanted to extend the no sail order to at least March of next year. Well, the Trump administration had other plans, and they made that very clear during the meeting that they did not want to keep cruise lines locked away, keep all the workers out of a job, all the countries that are supported by the cruise industry. The Trump administration made it very well known that they wanted to open all that back up because the economy definitely needs it. Well, today is really big news as the CDC announced that tomorrow they are going to end the no sail order as we know it. Now, it's going to be a staggered approach. It's a conditional approach. The official no sail order hopefully will actually expire a month from then. But in the meantime, the no sail order completely is expiring tomorrow. So over the next month, the cruise lines are going to run some simulated cruises with crew on board. As they get more crew on board the cruise ship, they're going to show the CDC the plans they have in place to keep passengers and crew from getting sick on board, which we're told that they have phenomenal systems on board to keep that from happening and to keep cruise literally even safer than going to your local Walmart. And providing all that goes well, and it's expected to go well, they will actually end the no sail order at the end of next month, allowing cruises to sail as they're planning to in December. So while it's not official, things could go wrong between now and then. The official no sail order is actually lifted, and cruising is going to continue very soon. Almost immediately, stocks for all the major cruise lines soared up. And this is just a really, really good day for cruising. If you have a cruise scheduled, I know Carnival and a lot of lines are scheduling for December. It looks like if everything goes well, those cruises are going to happen. So really good news. I'm glad I got to share it with you. As always, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Click the little bell notification. That way Carnival will let you know every time we upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys, wow, it seems like right around the corner now, up on the Lido deck.